Presenting boAt Rockerz 330 Neckband. It is available in active black, blazing yellow, navy blue, ocean blue, rating red and teal green color variants. The box includes Rockerz 330, user manual, warranty card, additional earbuds, Type-C charging cable. This wireless boAt Rockerz 330 neckband is ergonomically designed, which dons magnetic earbuds. It comes with alloy metal control board with silicone finish. It is IPX5 marked for water resistance. This product comes with 10mm dynamic drivers that pump out your favorite tunes with immersive sound. This product is compatible with Android and iOS. It comes with ASAP fast charge technology that offers 30 hours of playback time when fully charged. Rockerz 330 comes with built-in microphone. This product with instant voice assistant command, playback, hands-free and active smart voice assistant easily via its smooth integrated controls. Rockerz 330 comes with dual pairing. You can receive phone calls while watching videos on laptop. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.